whichever they are looking. First, it's on your screen, Tuesday morning, and it's a good start. The breadth is, I think, the most powerful point. Nifty is off to a good start. We're adding more weight. Sensex is adding more weight. Small cap index, mid cap indices, all of them are moving in tandem with each other. So it's a good start. Lot of green on the screen once again. Let's straight away start addressing some newsmakers. Important newsmakers are, it has to be LTI Mindtree, Tata Elxsi. I will not be surprised if the downside in Tata Elxsi gets opened more. LT Mindtree is an expensive stock. Numbers have been not a washout but disappointing. And then Sheela Foam, which we marked for you in the pre-open session. In terms of a momentum name, I would say PSU banks, Can Bank, BOB, State Bank of India, Union Bank. That's one space where the price action, I think, is going to be very, very obvious in terms of momentum. Can Bank 334, SBI 603, and then you got Bank of Baroda, which is at 202. Autos, I mean, that's the real, in a sense, the engine sector, so to speak. And autos are off to a flat start. Are they getting expensive? That's a question you would ask yourself now, considering the run-up on an average is about 35 to 40% across the board in auto stocks.
A couple of other names which are in focus, and I want to check in on what Infosys is up to, considering they're in an agreement worth about $2 billion with one of their existing clients to provide AI services, which is why you're seeing this kind of a move on Infi, 2% higher on Infi, 1450 is where the stock is, and remember, it's due to declare its numbers yet. HDFC Bank, and yesterday after the numbers, you had the conference call as well, which happened post-market hours. The management is saying that domestic retail advances have grown 20%, led by home loans, 1% higher for HDFC Bank. It's almost on its way to 1,700 rupees per share. Federal Bank Financial Services, or FedFina, the board has now revived the IPO plans via fresh issue and OFS. That stock has started off mildly in the green, but this is incrementally positive. However, I want to see what Z is up to after that very emotional penning of almost an exit letter from Puneet Goenka to their employees, saying that promoter level problems should never be the problem of the company. Z has started off 1% higher as we speak. 231 is where that stock is. Then, of course, there's Sheela Foams, like Nikunj highlighted. It seems like there is going to be a block deal on Amara Raja as well. That is what some of the media reports seem to be indicating. Tata Elxsi, weak numbers coming in there. LTI Mindtree as well, a muted first quarter. Sheela Foam, that gap up of double digits, that sort of eased off. Tata Elxsi is down 3%, and LTI Mindtree as well is down about 3% is where it's headed for. So there's RVNL as well. The government is asked to resolve differences with Russia's TMH with regards to the railway tenders as well as other issues. That is what the Economic Times is reporting this morning. So look out for that stock as well in trade. But yeah, that's pretty much it. The trading sentiment right now. We've started off once again, Kunal, just 10 points away from 19,800.
Yeah, every day 100 points of psychological breakout.
Is the speed of the rally, is it kind of unnerving?
But it is not euphoric. So that's the point. So, whether you look at it from an intra-country perspective or whether you look at it from the globe, Dow Jones is nowhere close to its previous highs. The Russell Index, which is nowhere closer to a major breakout. So when you look at all those components, we feel that the global bull market has not yet gone to that euphoric phase, and which is why I think there could be more stages on the upside. In terms of the opening stock, which I would look to trade, and again reinstating the bullish stance of PSU banking names, Canara Bank is something which looks attractive. I think the stock has recovered from 320 levels to 330, 335 where it closed yesterday. So looks attractive for a short-term bet, and that's the stock which I'll look to trade in the open.
Right, Naresh, what about the first trades that you're punching in?
So that would be a buy on SBI. The stock has broken out above the 600 mark, keeping a strict stop loss at 590, expecting a move towards 620 and 650.